Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price went up with around 4.0%, but then came quickly down again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $2,310. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around $2,377. Moving to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 41, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Looking at the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently indecisive, so consolidation for some time or shifting the momentum could be expected, and it is to wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around $2,392. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 42, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the downside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate, and it is better to wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 1656, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 2856 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 41, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.